Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a template in Asana. So let's head over right here to our workspace. And then from in there you can scroll down and as you can see we have this personal template. First thing you need to do is you need to click on this and make sure to click on this use template. And then in here you just create a new project using this particular template. I have already created one, so here's my personal template right here. Now, if you want to duplicate this particular template, what you can do is you can click on this project actions right here. You can see this duplicate option. Click on this duplicate option right here, and then you can duplicate the project details, project tabs, and a lot more right here. So just choose what you want to duplicate, and then from in there, click on this duplicate project. And as you can see, it's now creating a duplicate of personal. So just wait for this to finish. And as you can see, we have now added right here a duplicate or a copy of a template. So that's how you copy a template in Asana. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.